Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back, and we are discussing O-level mensuration. In the last video we talked about circles, sectors and segments. So I want to discuss a few questions before we move on. This first question is from May June 7. It's a paper 1 question. It's the 14th question of the paper. The question says, in the diagram ABCD is the diameter of the circle with center P. So you can see over here A, B, C, D is the diameter, or this P over here is the center. Part A says to find an expression in terms of x and pi for the circumference of the circle. Now, whenever a question asks you to find an expression in terms of any particular variables, you do not need to find the exact answer. You just need to find an equation or an expression that relates the two variables with the circumference of the circle. So for part A, like we did in the last video, circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Now they've not given you the radius, but you can see that they've said that A, B, C, D is the diameter. ठीक है, तो अगर A, B, C, D आपका डायमीटर है तो डायमीटर क्या हो जाएगा AB प्लस BC प्लस CD. AB आपके पास 2x है, BC भी आपके पास 2x है, CD भी आपके पास 2x है, तो डायमीटर यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा 6x. Now always remember that your radius is your diameter divided by 2. That means your radius will be 6x divided by 2, which will equal to 3x. So now you can substitute your radius over here. So 2 pi into 3x. Now you want to leave the answer in terms of x and pi. So 3 2s are 6 pi x centimeters. Do not forget the unit is going to be your answer. The next part says that the perimeter of the shaded region, so this is your shaded region, and it consists of two semicircles, ठीक है, whose diameters are AB. So this is a semicircle, ठीक है, उसका डायमीटर क्या है AB, और आपका एक और सेमी सर्कल है विच इज़ CD एंड द डायमीटर फॉर दिस इज़ CD विच इज़ द सेम 2x. ठीक है, एंड टू सेमी सर्कल्स हुज डायमीटर्स आर AC. सो AC, दिस इज़ अ सेमी सर्कल, एंड BD, this is a semicircle. The question wants you to find an expression in terms of x and pi for the area of this shaded region. If you look closely, if I shade this bigger semicircle, ठीक है, तो मेरे पास ये एरिया आ जाता है. This is going to be, let's say, area of, let's say this is 1. तो ये आपके पास area of 1 आ गया. Now हमारे पास जो shaded region है वो कौन सा है, वो ये वाला है, ठीक है, this one. So you can see that this shaded region is basically the area of 1, which was your semicircle, minus this little area over here. ठीक है, इससे आपका shaded region आ रहा है. ठीक है, so I repeat, look at this lower semicircle. So this is the shaded region that you want. If you calculate the area of this semicircle, the bigger semicircle, this is the area that you're going to get. ठीक है, अब इस एरिया और शेडेड रीजन में क्या फ़र्क है, इस एरिया का फ़र्क है. ठीक है, इस पूरे सेमी सर्कल के एरिया में और ये शेडेड रीजन के एरिया में क्या फ़र्क है, उसमें ये नहीं है. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, you will subtract this smaller area, which is the area of the smaller semicircle, from this bigger area, which is the area of the larger semicircle. So for B part, area of shaded region will equal to area of semicircle AC. So AC minus area of semicircle AB. अब there's one thing that we're missing over here. अगर आप एरिया इस बड़े में से ये छोटा एरिया निकालते हो तो आपके पास सिर्फ ये पार्ट आता है, बट द शेडेड रीजन इज़ दिस एज वेल. सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 2 to get the area of the shaded region. Why am I multiplying it by 2? Is because this is a similar semicircle, this is a similar semicircle, ये भी सेम है, ये भी सेम है, तो आप ये वाला एरिया निकालोगे वो इसी के इक्वल आएगा. सो यू कैन जस्ट कैलकुलेट वन ऑफ दिस एरिया एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. Now what is the area of a semicircle? Semicircle is basically half a circle. तो अगर पूरे सर्कल के एरिया का फॉर्मूला पाई आर स्क्वायर है तो सेमीसर्कल क्या हो जाएगा, पाई आर स्क्वायर ओवर 2 minus again pi r. I'm going to write a small 2 over here because these radiuses are different, divided by 2 multiplied by 2. ठीक है, when you calculate this, अब आपके पास पाई बड़े सेमी सर्कल का रेडियस क्या है, it is going to be 2x because you can see the diameter AC is 4x, so the radius is going to be 2x. So I'm going to do pi into 2x square over 2 minus, now the diameter of the smaller circle AB is 2x, तो radius क्या हो जाएगा, 2x divided by 2 which is going to be x. So you will do pi into x square over 2 multiplied by 2. ठीक है, now solving this you get pi into 4x square over 2 minus pi into x square over 2 multiplied by 2. So you can cancel, or another way that you can do it is, instead of cancelling will just make my working a little bit difficult. If I take this 1 by 2 common and if I do pi into 4x square minus pi into x square multiplied by, this whole thing is going to be multiplied by 2. I can cancel this 2 and this 2. I am left with pi into 4x square minus pi x square. I can take pi x square common. I am left with 4 minus 1 which is equals to 3 pi x square. Please do not forget the unit, centimeter square. So this is your answer. So a new thing that we learned is your area of a semicircle. So this is area of a circle divided by